Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some party wings right here. Tonight we're gonna make some gin and juice fried chicken. We got some little juice right there. Some SEAGRAM'S gin. We're gonna make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And stay tuned. Let's get it. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and use some of this good mustard. We're using regular yellow mustard. That's it, regular mustard. We're gonna season it up, that garlic and herb seasoning. That ground paprika. And that good lime seasoning. And some of that whiskey apple. Okay, so we have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we're using the same seasoning, like garlic and herb. Ground paprika. Lime. Now whiskey out. So that's how we looking. Okay, so you just want to grip everything like so with that flour. You want that flour, everything to stick. Just like so. Every piece of chicken. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. We'll let it sit for 12 minutes, and we're gonna start frying. Okay, so here we go right here. It's time to start frying. That's how the chicken look. You want that flour to sit before you just toss it in there right away. And listen, to all my new family, you're not gonna taste no mustard at all. Yes, you can fry with mustard. That's the best taste ever, is to fry with mustard. You won't taste no mustard at all. I say a good 6 minutes. They're little small party wings, so they ain't gonna take that long. If you wanna make sure they're done, that's what you do want to do. Make sure they're done. But we ain't gonna mess with them until like the clock is 6 minutes. I'm supposed to put the timer on right now. Okay, so here we go, 6 minutes. You know they say once your chicken starts floating or your fish starts floating and that grease, I mean it's done. Don't believe that. So this 6 minutes right here is floating. So we'll give it another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so that's what we're looking for right there. That's how you want your chicken to look. Just like that. Beautiful color. Now it's time to make our sauce. Okay, so we have our orange juice. We're gonna put some gin in the rest of this, you know what I mean? We're not gonna let that go to waste. We have a cup of ketchup. Okay, you want to break that ketchup up. If you have any hot sauce, you can add your hot sauce. Add some Louisiana hot sauce. Mix it in. You want to do, you want to keep your eyes on it. You don't want it to burn, stick. So every minute or so, this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna stir it around a couple times, like every minute or two. We have a half a cup of brown sugar. Now you're gonna add your brown sugar. You really want a whole cup of brown sugar. So when I was getting ready to make this video, I thought I had a bag of brown sugar in there, but I didn't. So I only had a half a brown sugar left, and that's what we're using. So if you ever decide to make this, make sure you have a whole cup of brown sugar. But we're gonna see how this turns out. The gin, we're not gonna add the gin just yet. We want everything to come together and then thicken them up. So we got our brown sugar, broke that in. Okay, so here we go right here. Look at that sauce. And no, you ain't gonna taste no ketchup. You're not gonna taste no brown sugar, none of that. Everything came together like it's supposed to. A nice, delicious sauce. Look, see that? Yeah, I did a whole bunch of stirring. You know what I mean? Taking my time with it. And you gotta watch it because it will boil over when you first start. So now there we go right there. You're not gonna need to measure this. If you want, you can measure it if you want to. Got this bad boy open. And boom. Like our gin right there. You don't need that much. And a little more. Boom. There we go right there. Nice one. Just mix it in. Let all this come together. There you go, right there. Look at that sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn my fire off. And I'm gonna take it off from the heat, get it away from the heat. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and thicken up a little more. Look at that. That's that gin and juice sauce right there. You know what I mean? Gin and juice sauce. Oh yeah, that tastes good. That's real good. Yes, that's real good. Okay, so this how we look right here. You see how I let it sit? Look at it. See how I thicken up? Just let it sit. And your sauce will thicken up. Look at that. good. Okay, now we're about to get this food on a nice plate. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget, hit that like button. I put my soul in this. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again in this good kitchen. Look at this. That's that good gin and juice fried chicken. Yes, sir. And when I say the sauce is off the chain, the sauce is off the chain. I'm gonna make that, man. Yes, I'm gonna stay making that sauce right there. I probably could bottle that sauce up, you hear me? But that's how we doing it right here in my good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Everything came out good. Fire. This is fire too. And if you ain't too much into the hot sauce, you don't have to add it. It's optional. But that's how we doing it right here in my good kitchen. Yes, sir. Look at that right there. Some cheap gin, you know what I mean? A little bit of juice, doing my thing. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.